After the concert, there will be a fellowship opportunity with homemade cookies provided. So I hope that you'll linger in the fellowship hall to enjoy the gift of friendship and to meet neighbors and friends perhaps that you've not seen for a while. There will be one intermission, and we will call you back with a carol sing facilitated by our Park Avenue pickers who will be guiding us in that part of the program today. So the Handbell Choir, the Wesleyan Singers, the Park Avenue pickers, Ryan Slocum, who you just heard sharing the opening piece of music, Bring a Torch, Jeanette Isabella, and Carolyn Coffin, and Mitch Thomas and friends. Mitch is combining his annual concert with that here at UMCA, and we're delighted that you're sharing those gifts with us and look forward to all that we'll be sharing together. So let's begin with a word of grace and prayer. Can one night make a difference? Can one star outshine all others? Can one child shake up the world? Yes, 1,000 times yes. This child sung to by choirs of angels. This child born of Mary, welcomed by the poor and the mighty. This child can change the world and can change lives. Oh, that our tongues were like bells to ring out the joy, that our hands were like drums to sound out the beats of new life. Oh, that our voices sounded like the heavenly choir, and that our hearts could hold the wonder of it all. Oh, that our knees were strong enough to kneel forever in wonder, and that our eyes could open wide enough to see glory shining in every star. Can one night make such a difference? Yes, 1,000 times yes. And that's a prayer offered by Larry Peacock, who was director of Rolling Ridge Conference and Retreat Center as a part of the New England Conference of the United Methodist Church. So welcome. We're delighted that you're sharing your afternoon with us, and we celebrate the gift of the Festival of Lights together.
Thank you. My mic is not working, so I'm going to project. Even though I was hoping I wouldn't have to today. We're figuring it out. The tech guy is remote. I think he's in Miami or someplace today. His wonderful son, though, is on the phone with him right now, trying to figure out what's going on with the sound. So, welcome to our concert. What a beautiful turnout. Normally this would be something, the kind of concert that you would just relax as though you were at the parsonage, at Pastor Steve's home, or maybe at my home, or over at William's home, or somewhere like that, but we suspected that you would be too large. So, not to offend you, but you're too large. And we decided to gather here in this house instead. So welcome to this house and welcome to this concert. And we are so looking forward to doing this, all of us, in these many groups today. At this time, I'd like to introduce one of my very good friends who has done the Mitch Thomas and Friends concert, The Holiday in Light, with me for many, many years, longer than I can remember. A good friend of mine and a great friend and a member of this church, Caroline Young-Coffin, as she comes now to sing Sleigh Ride and will be accompanied by our wonderful organist, Mr. Ryan Slope. We have a mic. And so at this time, I would love to welcome to the bell tables, I think that's what we call them, to the top of the stage, our trio of bell ringers. They used to be a quartet, but they're so versatile. They can change their name with the change of a number of people. But they're very popular. You've been playing around, if you know what I mean, this season. Have you been other places? Did you go like to LL Bean?
Not as a trio.
No, not as a trio. Oh, the whole bell.
This is our world premiere.
This is your world premiere trio. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever here at the Auburn United Methodist Church, Kim Vesparis, Vicky Ballou, and Debbie Hillman in the bell trio presenting "Bring a Torch, Jazz." The bell.
You know the tune.
Ryan
hearing impaired, we're going to take it. No offense, man.
Oh.
It's a pre-concert recital.
Decided they wanted
They were bad bells, bad bells. Yeah, you do.
bells are you playing right there? The 20? 20, okay, so 22 instruments. 6 hands. That was remarkable. No, that was one of, so, I just sit here, yeah. With 22 bells, 6 hands, and 2.5 brains.
That's a half a brain one, and Jimmy better go.
That's true. If Kim and I had a half a brain together, it would be a miracle, right? So, thank you very much to all 3 of you. That was wonderful. And so anyway, I sit there and I think,